Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see a very easy recipe of egg lababdar. You can make it all from all the masalas which is available at our home. See how yummy it looks, isn't it? Come on, let's share the recipe. First what we'll do is we'll take a vessel, we'll add some butter to it, let the butter melt. Then we'll take some finely chopped onions. We will fry it for at least 2 to 3 minutes until it is slightly brown, not golden brown. To this we will add a teaspoon of salt so that the onion cooks a little faster. To this we will add finely chopped tomatoes, 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Mix everything well till it becomes little mashy and soft. I'll add the masalas. I'll have taken pepper powder, chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder and garam masala. Mix everything well nicely. You can add some water so that the masalas doesn't stick to the vessel. To this I will add 2 pinches of chaat masala, or you can use amchur powder as well. Then I have added few kasuri methi to it. I have added some water to increase the consistency of the gravy. You can avoid these steps if you want the gravy to be thick. I have added grated paneer also to it. This is optional. If you want, you can take. I have added to increase the richness and the gravy. Mix it everything nicely. Add some water. And let it to boil for at least 10 minutes on medium flame. Then I have added 2 teaspoons of fresh cream to increase the thickness of the gravy. Let it to cook for at least 5 to 10 minutes on medium flame. Add some turmeric powder. And then finally our eggs. Just break the egg and drop it down on the gravy. You don't need to mix anything. That's it. What we will do is we will close the lid and let it to cook for at least 15 minutes on low flame. And see, wow, isn't it looking yummy? We will garnish it with some coriander leaves. And just while serving we have to take the eggs like this. See, the gravy is looking little watery because I have added more water into it so that we can have with rice as well. You can avoid water if you want the gravy to be little thick, and you can use it with chapati also. You can serve this with melted butter and you can use fresh cream. Wow, isn't it looking yummy? That's all guys. This is a simple recipe of egg lababdar. If you like my recipes, please like, share, subscribe. Bye bye.